Hello. Okay, so I'm facing one new error in Miro about the business place. So I will try to show you the error and then we will discuss how to resolve that error. Okay, I'm just giving basic details. So I have this purchase order for my company code. Then tax, I can select any, whatever is available, and same tax here. All right, baseline date. Okay, calculate tax. So this will be my price. All right. Okay. So this balance is zero, but still I'm getting message here, and message is I enter the business place. So what is this message and what is this business place is all about? So this is the message number. So it is. I will just take a screenshot of it. All right. So this is a message number. And if I check detail, what is all this business place and all about? So it is okay, not these details. All right. Okay. Then how to maintain this business place and what all this? So we can maintain this business place on this path. So actually it's not under but it's under cross application component, general application functions, and then business places. And here we have to define a business place according to each company code. And in Miro screen, actually, we have an option to maintain a business place here. This is the business place. So what this business place is about, so here you can check. So the business place used in MMIV. So an organization unit below the company code level that is primarily used for reporting taxes on a sales or purchasing side. In some countries, the business places is also used to assign a official document numbers to outgoing documents. For example, in Thailand also. So this is the use. So below the company code level, using business places, some taxes can be calculated for reporting purpose. So that's why we need business place. As of now, there is nothing maintained for this company code. So I'm creating this Migo for a company code AIR. So I can go to this path. I will show path again. Cross application component. You can go to SPRO, then IMG cross application component, general application functions, then business places, and here we have business places. So second one, define business places. Then provide your company code here. Then here we don't have any business place. That's why we are getting error. So new entry. You can provide any, for example, G001 test business place, or you can give any and you can fill all these details as well, like if it is a special economic zone or any tax related details, any tax indicate tax contribution or anything like that. I'm not really gonna fill anything. This is not really relevant for but I'm just telling how to resolve this error and save this business place Z001. Here, these are the certain details. Those are mandatory. I will just queue those. All right. It's kind of more address kind of thing. So I will just queue those details and save it. Okay. Okay, so data is saved. Now if I go back in screen and let's try to create this Migo again, I will go back. As we know, once we do any configuration, we should restart the complete process. So I will go in Miro. Then again, all the similar data. Test, then tax, PO details, calculate tax, then all is coming, then baseline date. All right, enter. Then this will be here 997.50 INR. All right, then press enter and simulate. So now system still will give us the same error that was previously there about the business place. GL account is not defined. But here this, okay, so this business place now coming here. So at least that error will get resolved. So that business place related error will not come again. The GL account one is a different one that can be solved. But this is how we solve the error message about this business place. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.